You bring up something that hurt you, and somehow the conversation ends up being about what you did wrong. You try to talk about the lie. Now you're defending why you ask questions. You try to talk about the disrespect. Now you're being told you're too sensitive. You try to explain how their behavior affected you, and suddenly you're the one being accused of causing the problems. That's blame shifting. And if you've lived through narcissistic abuse or emotional manipulation, you know exactly how exhausting it is. Because no matter what happens, the responsibility never seems to land where it belongs. They always have an excuse, a justification, a reason why it's actually your fault, or why your reaction is the real issue. And after hearing it enough times, you end up believing it. You start replaying every conversation in your head, wondering if you could have said it differently, or handled it better, or stayed calmer, or been more understanding. You end up spending so much time examining yourself that you stop noticing they're never examining themselves. And that's what blame shifting does, because it keeps you focused on fixing yourself while they avoid accountability. And the longer this goes on, the harder it becomes to trust your own reality. You stop bringing things up. You stay quiet about what hurts. You end up apologizing just to end the argument. Not because you were wrong, but because you're tired. You're tired of defending yourself. You're tired of explaining yourself. You're tired of carrying responsibilities for things that were never yours to carry. But here's what healing teaches you: someone who refuses to take accountability does not make you responsible. Someone blaming you does not automatically make it your fault. And your reaction to being hurt is not the same as causing the hurt. You are allowed to acknowledge what happened. You are allowed to trust what you experienced. And you are allowed to put the responsibility back where it belongs. Because healing isn't about learning how to carry more blame, it's learning how to stop carrying what was never yours to carry in the first place.